Good morning, Farm Fam. Happy Friday. It's the calm after the storm, let's say. The dust has settled here. We had a great night. I woke up every couple of hours. Well, every time my baby got me up for a feeding, I also went out and checked on Gemma and the puppies, and she's kept them warm. She's been feeding them. She's just been so far a very attentive mother. This morning we're gonna go out and check on them. I'm gonna feed them. I have her regular feed. I have our leftover lamb burgers I made last night, and then I have some cottage cheese on top of there just to keep her energy up. We're gonna keep feeding her like 5-6 times a day over the course of the next few days. I'll just check the puppies this morning, and then probably this afternoon once everyone goes down for a nap, I'll go out and I'll weigh them and just see how they're coming along. Today, my plan, as always, but especially after yesterday, is to just have an easy, slow day here on the farm. We're going to do our regular chores. We're going to try our best to all remain patient and positive with each other. And I do have to run to town to do some grocery shopping, but yeah, let's see what happens. Come on with us, Farm Fan. We'll go feed Gemma, we'll check on some puppies, and we'll get our day rolling. So come on with me. Good morning. So we're not going to use these collars because over half of them have slipped down underneath, so I have to find something else. Where are we, Harper? Dad does work, eh? Looking good.
Mountains towering again in your mind. Aren't they the hardest ones to climb? Darling, look how far we've come simply by taking it one step at.
Hello, Farm Fam. We're home. It is afternoon. Still very slow moving here. The kids are down for a nap, but this morning when I went to check on Gemma and the puppies, I noticed that quite a few of the puppies had slipped through their collars. They had one paw up in the collar. So the collars are too loose, and I'm a little concerned about what that could do. So instead we're going to go out, we're going to take those collars off the puppies until they're a little bit bigger, and I'm going to mark a nail of some kind with nail polish so that we can keep track of who's who and keep track of their weights. So while the kids are napping, let's go out and do that. I promised my toddler I would wait for her to do chores, so I'm gonna try to stick to that promise. But in the meantime, let's spend a little time with these cute little puppies. So. Okay, so I have two puppies that I'm a little concerned about. Most of them went up, except for I have one female who was at, where's the female? 1.23 went down 1.9, or 1.19, so went down a few ounces. But the one I'm most concerned about is my little male. He was 1.13 yesterday. 1.04. So he might need some puppy formula. He's having trouble staying on the nipple. I keep on giving him a nipple and he's not really, there we go. He's on it. There we go. Good puppies. Good puppies. Oh, there's one way down at the end. Come on. Wait, she's on the nipple. There we go. Oh, good mama, you are. Yeah, there's one here. Good big one. Good big nails. There we go. I believe we're pretty much at the point now where I should be removing the buck from those 3 does. They're very close to giving birth, and I want them to have plenty of space to nurse and nest, right? And nurse, but mainly to nest. So I'm gonna put him back in the cage in here. Okay, so here he is, big old daddy. He's actually gotten quite large since we brought him up to the barn. He's probably gotten a bit big for his britches since he started breeding the girls. He never did that before, he was pretty young. So let's put him in the cage, and then those 3 ladies, hopefully are all pregnant. And I've seen signs that some of them are nesting, so he's obviously done his job with at least one of them. So yeah, we'll let them do their thing. I don't know. This whole colony thing is new to me, and I'm just waiting to see how it does. I've certainly given them lots of space to nest, but I don't know. I'm a little concerned about it. We may go back to cages if this fails. It's all a learning experience. You guys are along for the ride. get you more food, okay? Here, you want a bone? I got something for you. Are you hungry? Good girl. Work on that with them, okay? Our baby. You see the puppy?
Mommy, I want to hold it.
You may not hold it, just pet.
Mommy.
Avery, nice and calm. Okay, Gemma wants you to remain calm. You can come over and pet it too.
Mommy, Harper can't come in.
Harper's not coming in, but Harper, can you move out of Avery's way for a moment? She'd like a pet too. Come see it. That's Gemma's baby. It's a girl. Wow is right. We're gonna stay out though, Harper, for a few more days. You're not allowed to come in with the puppies, I'm sorry to say. Okay? Harper. So I feel like in all the excitement of yesterday, you guys didn't even really have a moment to be introduced to Kane, our bull, who will be here all winter. So let me show you this beautiful boy. Hi, Rockstar. Hi, Kane. Kane with the curls. So Kane is a big, beefy, young Black Angus bull, and he's here to breed all of our girls. We were hoping that both Una and Patty were pregnant, but Kane showed up yesterday and started telling us that it seems likely they are not. So we hope that he breeds our heifers, Una and Patty, and even young Miss Meredith, our Highland Angus cross, so that it produce some Black Angus cross or Black Angus calves next August. Yeah, so he'll be here for quite a few months over the winter. Well, Farm Fam, as we stay here, or as I do my tours tonight, I'm thinking of a few things. The first, daylight savings time ends tomorrow, meaning this time next week, it'll be dark before my husband gets home, and chores will need to be done even earlier. And the other thing is that I oddly am missing Gemma. She's in with the puppies, that's where I expect her to be, but even up until the day she delivered, she was accompanying me for chores. You could see her following me everywhere. Boom! So I miss my girl, and I'm ready to have her back. But Clay will have to do for a few weeks, and I'm glad she's as attentive as she is. Let's keep going, Fun Family. What are you doing?
I painted myself.
Oh, you're
Last
doing
finger.
it?
Last finger right here, Avery. Okay. Double coat. Are you gonna do your baby finger too?
No, I want to do the other one.
You want to do a different color on the baby finger. Okay. What color on the baby finger?
This one.
That one. You forgot to blow. Good job.
Closely. Oh, beautiful. You paid a lot of attention to detail. You really tried hard to stay right on the nails.
Said not on my skin, Mommy.
Okay. All right, my dear. Don't close it. Don't you want to see the puppy?
Can I come in?
Yes. You want to come in and sit right here?
Oh, I used to go in here.
You may step down here, but we're not going to get too close to Gemma. You sit down right here with Mommy, and Mommy will get one of the puppies that we can hold, okay? Look at this big one. Look at that.
Can I pet him?
You can, absolutely.
Oh, I did cold. Is that one cold?
Is it cold?
No.
Oh, all the eyes are closed. Yes, honey. All the eyes are closed.
Pretty sure that's an Opie dog.
I took all the collars off and I tried to take the nails.
Can I hold him?
Yes,
Well, they're so
you may.
small.
Nice and gentle. That's a girl. Not for long though, okay?
Okay.
You're okay, Puppy. And have him back over.
Look at this one.
No, honey.
Avery.
Avery, you have to let go and let Mommy hold him.
Avery, be
You have to
gentle.
let Mommy put him
I
back down.
I know.
I know, honey, but you have to stay there. Gemma doesn't want you getting too close to her right now, okay? Good girl, Gemma.
Avery, did you know what? Gemma doesn't trust many people right now. She trusts Mommy.
One more,
Okay.
okay? Okay.
Can you hold it for me and give it back?
Yeah, as long as you are better about giving it back after. That was too rough last time. You okay? Yeah. Look at how this one has little. It's because he's gonna have long hair.
Sure, they spots.
Hi.
It's sniffing you.
Good job.
You smell good. It's a little boy.
He saves me, and they will get bigger and bigger, and I can pet him.
Yeah, you tell him I'm gonna be your friend as you grow up.
And when you go up, you can be bigger than me.
That's a girl. You are being so gentle, honey. Yeah.
Here.
See, we got one more. See, these ones have little spots. Oh, good girl, Gemma.
Hey, I am to see.
Yeah.
You get the bigger than me.
That's right. Oh, you're so sweet. Good girl. Yeah, did you lick it?
Can I?
Silly girl.
You want a well?
Yes, please get out, and we're gonna go ahead out, and I'm gonna let Gemma finish her dinner. She needs more dog food. Yeah, inside. Just stay back from the wood stuff.
Here, Avery, will you come help me get some dog food for Gemma?